Have a look at this situation here. This is a faulty TV report. So you've got company A over the left hand side, and you've got company B on the right hand side. Um, for every for this small company, company A is a small company. This is a big corporation. So for every 17 TVs that they sell, three are faulty. There's something wrong with three TVs out of the 17 TVs. Over on company B, remember this is faulty. So now we are looking at faulty TVs. So company B, 87 faulty TVs out of this many TVs. Okay. So which would you rather? Which company would you rather buy your TV from? From this small company or this big company? Given this report here, this is faulty. Remember, we are looking at faulty. In the previous example, we are looking at correct answers. So remember your it's always part divided by the whole. In the previous in the previous video, part here represents the number of correct questions. Here, in this case here, this part here represents faulty. Okay, so in our case here, it represents faulty. So let's draw a diagram to see what's going on here. So remember, this is faulty. Our diagram would represent number of broken TVs, if you like. So let's draw our diagram. Hang on. So hang on. So this 0, 1. 1 would represent our whole thing, which is 17. Remember, this is our whole thing here. 0.5 is around here. Well, 0 here. 3. Just imagine inside your mind that halfway is really 8.5. I know you can't have half of a TV, but just imagine halfway is this. So 3 would be somewhere down here. Okay, so 3 here. So what decimal would represent this level? Remember, 0.5 is halfway. 1 would represent up here. Blah 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 blah. Where would 3 be? Well, get a calculator out and get the part. This is your part divided by your whole. So get a calculator out and hang on. 3 divided by 17 equals you got 0.176. I'm going to push because the 6 is is higher than the 5. I'm going to push up to 18, 0.18 rather than 0.7, 0.17. So I'm going to push up to 0.18. Okay, so this is really this is like 18%. Remember, this is 18% faulty. We are now looking at faulty. We are not looking at correct answers. We like in the previous video, we are now looking at faulty TVs. So this 18 here represents the number, 18% faulty TVs. Okay, so let's have a look on this side here. Oh, sorry, hang on. So this one here would be 0, 0, 1. Now 1 represents a whole amount, which is 729, 29. Okay. This one here, 0.5. Well, half of this. What is half of this? Let's say 700. Half of 700 would be 350, and then let's push this up to 30. So half of 30 would be 15. So this is just roughly, okay, 5, 6, 3. So just roughly, halfway mark is roughly 365. Okay. Well, where is our this is our number here, 87. So 87 is probably down here as well. So I'm just going to guess somewhere around here. So 87. So what decimal here would represent this 87? Well, get the calculator out. Remember, it's always part divided by the whole. and our part in this case would be this, and this is our whole here. Okay, so calculator, 87 divided by 729 equals 0.12, 0.12. So this is like 12%. And remember, hang on. Looking at the two diagrams, you get a good picture of what's going on here. This is 18, so it's quite high up. This is 12%, so it's actually lower than this 18%. So and remember, we are looking at faulty. Okay, so this would represent 18% faulty TVs. This one here, 12% faulty TVs. So in this case, it's better to choose the smaller one because we are looking at faulty TVs. So you would want the number to be quite low because you would want faulty TVs to be low. So company B would be better than company A. In the previous video, your part, you remember part over whole. Your part represents the number of correct questions. So you would want the percent to be high because you want the correct answers to be a high number. In this case here, our part represents faulty. So you would want this faulty number to be low. So it really depends on your situation here. Well, in this case, company B is better than company A because in this case we want this percent to be low because we want the faulty to be low. Okay.